How to see unsent messages in Messenger. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Here we go. You will land to the chat section. Now at the top left corner you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Head towards the settings icon. Scroll down. Go to the option notification and sounds. Open it. Over here you're gonna find different options. Toggle on for this option of show previews. Likewise toggle on for these options as well. Once you enable this you will be good to go. Now open your settings app. Scroll down and find the option Messenger. Once you find it, open it. Now go to the option notifications. Toggle on for the option of allow notifications. Likewise check in for this option of lock screen, notification center, banners. Toggle on for the option sound and badges. Likewise open this option of show previews. Set it to always. Now whenever someone will send you message, it will appear in your lock screen. Even though they have unsent the message, you will be able to see the messages. So this was all for this video. This is how you can see unsent messages in Messenger. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.